Let's continue assigning the task ID to the remaining elements. We have to select the rectangular beams or the structural framing with a level 2 and click on IC, isolate category. We can stand on any elevation, we can look at any elevation. We would select by a window from the left to the right, so we can select only the structural framing. If you make this window and it crossed a level from right to the left, it's a dashed line window. It's a crossing window. It select the levels and the structural frames, and you have to make the filter to remove the levels from the selection. It's easier to make a whole window selection from the left to the right. I have only the structural framing, which is the grade beams or the ground beams would have a task ID of ST-1002. Enter. And the ground floor ST-1102. Oh, sorry, that's the ground floor slab. That's 1005. And take this value, copy, and click enter. And the first floor beams would be 1105, and the second this 2, and this 3, and this 4, and the last one 5, and we can click HR for reset temporary height isolate. The shortcut key is called HR for it. If you haven't changed the default values,